evening, everybody. Nice to meet you. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Luan. I'm 23 years old. I come from Bắc Giang province. I'm the first student at Thái Nguyên University of Medicine and Pharmacy. My major is general medicine. I'm really interested in my major. About my family, there are four members: my parents, my older brother, and I. In my free time, I like watching film, watching football, and listening to music. I like pop music. Especially, I love learning English. In the future, I want to become a successful doctor. I try my best to make my dream come true. You know, what's the English? Of course, it's the language, but for us, it's not just the language. It's also a very important tool and powerful weapon. It's the necessary skill for our life and success in the 21st century. You know, learning English can be a piece of cake. Many people are worried about learning English. They think English is difficult and it's hard to memorize new words and grammatical rules. In fact, learning English can be a piece of cake. Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about grammar. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just try to speak. Speak English as much as possible. Successful people spend a lot of time practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Speaking Speak English every day and you'll improve. You know, the more you speak, the better your English will become. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. You must enjoy making mistakes. You must enjoy speaking poor English. Speaking is only thing that will lead you to success. Don't give up. Just try your best.